Kung makapagsalita siya akala mo bihasa.
He speaks as if he was an expert.
Kung umulan susunduin kita.
If it rains I will pick you up.
Iniisip ko kung uulan ba bukas.
I wonder if it will rain tomorrow.
Kung mayaman lang sana ako, pupunta ako sa ibang bansa.
If only I were rich, I would go abroad.
Alam mo ba kung may kasintahan siya?
Do you know if he has a girlfriend?
Humihingi ako ng tawad kung nasaktan ko ang damdamin mo.
I apologize if I hurt your feelings.
Alam mo ba kung marunong siyang magtagalog?
Do you know if he can speak Tagalog?
Paano ko malalaman kung mahal na niya ako?
How will I know if he already loves me?
Kung wala kang pera, papahiramin kita.
If you don't have money, I'll lend you.
Mas makakabuti siguro kung magkikita tayo.
It would be better if we could meet.
Di ko alam kung sasama siya sa akin papunta dyan.
I don't know if he will go there with me.
Ayos lang ba kung sumama ako sa'yo?
Would you mind if I come with you?
Huwag kang mahihiyang magtanong kung may kailangan ka.
Don't be shy to ask if you need anything.
Hindi mo naman kailangang pilitin ang sarili mo kung ayaw mo.
You don't have to force yourself if you don't want to.
Hindi ko alam kung bibisita siya sa Makalawa.
I don't know if he will visit next day.
Kung tumunog ang telepono, hindi ko na yan sasagutin ulit.
If the phone rings, I will not answer it again.
Kung may nakita kang mali, sabihin mo sa akin.
If you find a mistake, let me know.
Kung gusto mo akong kausapin, tawagan mo ako.
If you want to talk to me, call me up.
Anong mangyayari kung halimbawa maghiwalay kami?
What will happen if ever we broke up?
Mapapahamak ka kapag nalaman yan ng mga magulang mo.
You'll get into trouble if your parents find it out.
Kung di ka pwede, tawagan mo ako kaagad.
If you're not available, call me as soon as possible.
Kung manunood ka ng sine, isama mo ang kapatid mo.
If you'll go to the movies, take your sister with you.
Kahit pa nakagawa siya ng mali, hindi niya aaminin iyon.
Even if he does something bad, he will never admit it.
Ayos lang ba kung isara ko na ang TV?
Is it okay if I turn off the TV?
Kung ako ikaw, paniniwalaan ko siya.
If I were you, I would believe her.
Iniisip ko kung maghihiwalay ba sila.
I'm thinking if they will get divorced.
Iniisip ko kung maghihiwalay ba sila.
I'm thinking if they will get divorced.
Pupunta ako doon kahit papigilan mo ako.
I will go there even if you stop me.
Kung ako ikaw, bibilhin ko iyon.
If I were you, I would buy it.
Di ko alam kung nasa akin pa iyon.
I don't know if I still have it.
Tinanong ko siya kung tutulungan niya ako.
I asked him if he would help me.
Makakaalis ka na kung gusto mo.
You can go if you want.
Tinanong ko siya kung siya si Kevin.
I asked him if he is Kevin.
Kung may pera lang sana ako, mabibili ko yan.
If I had money, I could buy it.
Tanungin mo siya kung masaya siya.
Ask him if he is happy.
Kung ako ikaw hindi ko iyon gagawin.
If I were you I wouldn't do it.
Tinanong ko siya kung alam niya ang pangalan ko.
I asked her if she knew my name.
Kailangan ko nang umalis kahit pa umuulan.
I must go now even if it's raining.
Hindi ko alam kung alam niya.
I don't know if he knows it.
Pwede kang sumama kung gusto mo.
You can come if you want.
Ayos lang bang buksan ko ito?
Is it okay if I open this?
Sasama ako kung kinakailangan.
I will come if that's necessary.